Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are trying some of the pop 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 hairstyles. I have realized that I have no dancing qualities, like not even 1%. No, it does not work out for me. So first we're trying this ponytail. It did not turn out that good for me because my hair is pretty long and I am going through a process of bleaching my hair, which is also not in a correct bleach form. Like I wanted gray bleach, so I have to bleach it once again. If do I make any sense? Why am I speaking so much? As you can see, I just separated my front framing sections and now I'm just making a basic ponytail, so it does not look the same because first she has blonde hair, second my hair is way longer. I want to cut my hair, but emotional damage. So how do I do that? I want to cut my hair, but I also don't want to cut my hair. So what do I do? Any suggestions? So now I'm taking a very long piece. I don't know why I chose to take such a long piece, and you basically wrap it around the ponytail. This is very basic. I think you guys understand. Oh wow, you can't even see. Oh, wow, such nice angles. I can never be a good YouTuber, can I? Now I'm practicing it for a year now. Your hairstyle is not visible on the screen, my dear. Try to focus it on your hairstyle, you stupid girl. Now this is how it turned out. One of my ponytail has most of my bleached hair. Why? Why do I look like this? I don't like this hairstyle on me. Let's skip to the next one. Goodbye. You know, more than the hairstyle, I really love her outfit. I really want to buy this outfit, but we can't. We are broke. So let's cry together. Now I'm tying some low ponytails, low pigtails, ponytails. I don't know, call it whatever you want. Then I'm just going to tie two braids, not the one you eat, bread, no, braids. That was not funny. Now you have to twist it around your hair, and once you get the proper placement, you just pin it with bobby pins. This is not a good angle of me. I look so weird. Back with the dance step. Yeah, you can't do that, so stop trying. If you're wondering why there are two smileys, it's because I didn't shave my underarms, and now my arms were way too high for this stupid top because it was showing all my beautiful hair on my armpit. Oh wow, they were so silky and smooth, but I didn't want to show it to you. Why is this video so chaotic? I'll totally write a script. Yeah, I'm telling that to myself for a year now, but I forget. But anyways, those were the hairstyles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, that's okay, because I know this was not a good video. Even I would dislike this video, so it's alright. I understand. I totally agree with you. Goodbye!